Here's how to change directory in the terminal. First, whenever you type pwd and then hit enter, you can then see where you currently are in the terminal. Next, if you write ls and then hit enter, you can see all the folders in your directory. Then if you want to go to a specific folder, let's say you would like to open up the movies folder right here, then what you would do is you write cd, then make a space, then write the name of the folder and hit enter. We are now in the music folder. If you want to go up, that is a level back, type cd, space, ... and then hit enter. We are now back in the same directory as before. So to summarize, you use the cd command whenever you want to go a level down, and you use the cd space ... command whenever you want to go a level up or back. If you do know the exact path of where you want to go in the terminal, then you can also type cd and then you input the exact path. For example, this path right here will take us directly to downloads. So when I hit enter, this is exactly what happened. This is how you change directory in the terminal. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to smash the like button and subscribe for my channel for more terminal tutorials.